Hi guys, how are you all today? Welcome you all to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you all this makeup look over here. Today I have done this smoky eyes and this nude lip. So yes girls, without babbling so much, let's get started with this video. But if you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing our channel. And if this video would be helpful for you, please hit like to this video. So now let's get started. So here I have done my full base. Now I will be using Epic Smoke Liner by NYX Professional Makeup.
So it comes in this unique packaging. It is a 2-in-1 product. First of all, it has this liner and then it has this cute little brush to smoke out your liner. So first of all, I am drawing a wing liner outside the eye, as you can see. And then I will just take it inside and apply a liner with this. Do not have to be very precise. After all, we are going to smudge it, smoke it very well. It lines, blend and lift with ease, as you can see. Now I will smoke the line with this small little brush. Okay, so as you can see, it is quite easy to smoke out your liner with this small little brush. It comes in 12 daring shades. Play it safe with a neutral, or you can play with fire using the adventurous shades available. So as you can see, the eyeliner goes on like a liner and blends out like smoke. It has a buildable formula also, so you can always build it. Now I am covering my all over eyelids with this one.
So now I'm gonna use Epic Ink Liner from NYX.
So it has an ultra precise tip for maximum precision. Let's apply this. To begin with, I am starting from the corner of my eye and then I will take it to the wing that I have made. It is a waterproof and smudge proof also. It has a slender and flexible brush tip. So girls, now as you can see how my eye is looking lifted up. Now let's do the makeup of other eye too. So here completes my makeup of both the eyes.
So now girls, my eyes are done. I have done this beautiful smoky eyes with NYX Professional Makeup products, as you have seen. Now it's time to apply lipstick. For that purpose, I will be using this lipstick over here. So this is NYX Professional Makeup Lip Lingerie XXL. So I really love the packaging of this one, and in fact the applicator is also so much precise. So now let's see how I will apply this.
Look how precisely I can apply my lipstick through this amazing applicator this is. Actually it is transfer proof and smudge proof too. It gives your lips a smooth matte look that lasts up to 16 hours. Oh my god, I'm just loving this shade so much. And yes, it is transfer proof also and smudge proof too. We have tested both the things, right? So here I am swatching another shade for you guys. It is also a lovely shade. The number is on the screen and I am loving this so much.
So it's available in 14 different shades in India at just rupees 899. So guys, this is my all over finished look. I hope you love this as much as I do. So yes, it's time for you guys to mix it up with all these products over here. I have given all the links in the description box below. You go girls and check these products out. And do not forget to share your comments in the comments section below. I would love to know your thoughts. I shall meet you in one another amazing video. Till then, stay beautiful, stay stylish. Bye bye. See ya. Take care guys. Love you all. Bye.